so much for stopping by to watch today's video. So, yep, it's been a minute as usual, but you guys know, I try to drop them when I can. It may not be as often as I would like, but every now and then I like to drop a video. But you guys know that we're moving into fall, the holiday season, so you guys know that's my favorite time of the year. So you'll definitely start seeing a little bit more content here soon. But anyway, I wanted to take you guys along with me to BigLots. I went to BigLots and got a chance to just take a look. They just started putting some of the decor out, and I just pulled my phone out really quick and just started recording. So I wanted to just kind of do this intro, let you know what you'll be seeing. But I was impressed only with the few items they had out. Like, they literally probably just started putting that stuff out, you know, maybe the past couple of days. They have the trees out, and maybe about 3 of their themes. And I'm sure once, you know, we get a little bit further down in the month, they'll start putting out their other themes. Let me see if I can squeeze through here. They're gonna start putting out some more of their themes, but the ones that they had, absolutely gorgeous. Like, they have definitely stepped their game up. You can tell just with the pieces that they have. They have really stepped it up again. It's some very beautiful pieces, so you guys will see that. But anyway, but all has been well with me. Couple of things I have coming up. I have a couple of events. Guys, almost every event I planned in my head to bring you guys along, and I told you guys in previous videos that I was going to start doing that, bring you guys along when I have an event. But by the time that day comes and I start moving and getting stuff ready, I don't even think about pulling out a camera or even setting up a camera. But I have one coming up in a couple of weeks. I might bring you guys along for that. I'm trying to think. It seems like I have something else. I have other ones later in next year. I'm trying to see. It seems like I have something else going on this year. I can't remember. But I'll try to bring you guys along with that. But I don't know if this is loud. Fall has definitely set in for today. It's like 70 something today, and we were just like in the 80, 90 kind of weather just last week. But today and the next few days is going to be really, really cool, and I'm not mad about that. My windows, I opened my windows at home, let some fresh air flow through the house, and so yeah, so all has been well. Like I said, just been a little busy. I'm going to be bringing you guys, my next video should be, prayerfully if all goes well with the week and everything, my next video should be my guest room redecorate with me for the fall, because my mother-in-law is coming to town next weekend just to spend some time with us, and she's actually going to be here for her birthday, her 75th birthday. So she will be here next week. So I wanted to bring you guys along as I redecorate my guest bedroom. Guys, if you were able to see my guest room right now, you'll probably just shake your head, because it's a hot mess. When I say, yeah, it looks nothing like how my last video showed my guest room when I redecorated my guest bedroom. Looks nothing like that. Absolutely nothing like that. And it's sad, because my guest room, because I don't really have guests like that, that room tends to become like a stockpile room, especially like when I have events and stuff. It holds like all of the decor and stuff up until the event, and sometimes even after the event, because I have to, you know, unpack a lot of times and repack stuff. And in my guest bedroom, I have a attic like storage space in there, and so a lot of stuff just ends up getting tossed in there to be taken into that attic space. So it looks a hot mess. So I have like a week and maybe a couple of days to get that room together. So I was going to bring you guys along with me to do that. But anyway, guys, I don't want to hold you. You came here to see the BigLots decor, so I'm going to go ahead and let you walk through the store with me. I may do a voiceover, I'm not sure, but I want to show you guys these pieces. So anyway, thank you so much for rocking with me for this long. Thank you for all of your support, and I hope you come back for my next video, and I hope you enjoy this video. But guys, let me know what you think of the BigLots Christmas decor so far. I'll probably go back and just do a quick video once they put more stuff in, but I think you guys will love what you see. All right, guys, I will talk to you later. Bye. All right, guys, so as you can see, they have begun to put out their different little Christmas trees and topiary trees. Really nice trees here. Some of the flock trees are very nice. I really would love to have one. I just want to make sure you know, that I get a quality one, because it could be a mess. But as you see, they have the trees out. They have this really nice lantern here. Really, really nice. I have some lanterns actually I need to decorate for fall. I may share that with you guys, but yeah. So they have some of their summer stuff marked down on clearance. And this table right here, I'm watching it. I'm going to come back and see if I can get it. Hopefully it's still here on Tuesday, because I think it's Tuesday or Wednesday. I forget. I have to call and see. But I think it's a Tuesday. They give military discount. If you are military, didn't know that, you can go and get a military discount at BigLots. So I'll be coming back. But as you see here, this is one of the first things I saw, and it is gorgeous. All the bling. So if you are a bling girl and you love the shine, just some beautiful pieces like this. Reindeer here was actually a nice weight. It wasn't light, so really, really pretty. This is a DIY, an easy DIY if you wanted to take the time to do it. But some really, really pretty pieces. I can't remember if they had this reindeer last year. I cannot remember. I know they had some really, really nice ones. I remember the one they had with the fur, but they have some really nice reindeer. Like this one here is really pretty. This one is really, really pretty. Just really quality, nice quality pieces they have this year. But yeah, this is a really nice, that could be also DIY as well, but the pieces are very well put together. They don't look, you know, cheap or anything like that. Just really nice quality pieces. So BigLots is doing their thing. So yep, so I'm loving this. That's the one they had last year. The reindeer with all the bling and fur. So they have that again. But this here, guys, the blue, absolutely my favorite. I cannot wait to see the rest of this theme. But as you see here, just even the boxes, the gift boxes with all the sequins and glitter, it's only $12, not a bad price. But the pillows, I mean, the colors are so rich, and I'm using a really nice blue in my decor for fall and Christmas. And so of course I was drawn to this when I saw this beautiful blue. But I love how they did even the reindeer with the same sequins, and it's only $14, so it's not very, very bad. But just some really nice, beautiful pieces. And as I said, I'll be coming back to see what else they bring out. I love these placemats here, really pretty. Definitely thinking grabbing those. Like I said, I'll be using colors like that in my decor, so they're only $4. So not bad at all. But I am just in shock. Like I said, seems like over the past couple of years, Big Lots has really stepped their game up with their Christmas decor. You know, at home has always been a really nice place for Christmas shopping, but now Big Lots is starting to pick up the quality of their pieces. And yeah, I see some pieces I have my eyes on that I may come back and get. So really, really pretty. I cannot wait to see the rest of the pieces they have for this one. This one here is really nice as well. We all know that the plaid and buffalo check is really, really in trend right now. I think of our Decor sister Kimberly over at oh my gosh, I forget her channel name. I can't believe it. I see it in my head. But Kimberly Davis, right now she has kind of like this theme with buffalo check, and of course, you know, red is her favorite color. So Kimberly, if you're watching, I think you may definitely love some pieces they have right now that you can incorporate and switch right over into Christmas without having to change your theme. But just some really, really nice pieces. So really love this table runner as well. But yeah, guys, like I said, I am very impressed. So just wanted to bring you guys in and let you see some of these beautiful pieces. So just looking around and just checking out what they have. And like I said, I hope to come back in another week or so, maybe a couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, to see what they have brought out. But yes, I'm loving the themes that they have out so far. When I saw this, I thought about our other sister, Sharon, over at She's So Fabulous. This was one of her themes. I think it was a couple of years ago as well. She was maybe more than a couple of years ago. I think she did this thing when she was still in her home before she moved, with the trucks and all of that. It was really, really cute. And I know she said that she was giving her grandson all of that Christmas decor, but I thought about her when I saw the little trucks, the little red trucks. But these are really, really nice. I love the chargers there. I'm gonna keep my eyes out at Dollar Tree, because sometimes you can find some similar chargers like that at Dollar Tree. If I'm not mistaken, they have some on their website. You know, and you can always order. Don't know if you want to order the bulk, depends on how many you need, but you can always go to Dollar Tree and check them out. But yeah, they have everything. This is some shower curtain sets. I really don't go this far with my Christmas decor. Do you guys do all of that? Do you go and change up your bathroom decor and all of that? I usually don't. But they still had some beautiful fall decor. As of right now, it's 25% off. And of course, you know, I'm going to wait that out until it goes more than that. But I saw some beautiful pieces like this tray here that says blessed. Really, really nice, and just a really nice quality. And I believe it was $22. Yep. And yeah, they have some really nice pieces still for fall. Really, really, really like these two. Like this hurricane vase with the golden leaves, and then the golden leaf pumpkin with the candle in the middle. Really, really pretty. I love these colors. And this is really a really popular color scheme for fall this year, with the blushes and the mauves and the pinks and the maroons. I know if you go to Michael's, you will see those same colors, but they have blue. Actually, they have blue here also at Big Lots. They incorporate blue with those colors. Very, very rich and very, very pretty. So yeah, they have some really nice different pieces that you can just incorporate that whole look. If you want to go all out, they have plenty of things and different pieces, different table runners, wall art, tablecloths, linen, everything that you can choose from, even the accessories. Really, really pretty. But right now it's 25% off. But you know, I'm gonna wait it out, see what I can find, and then maybe use for next year. So yep, guys, I really hope that you have enjoyed what you've seen so far. I know I've just been so impressed with BigLots, and BigLots never was one of the places I would go to first for Christmas decor. But like I said, over the past couple of years, I think we all, especially us in the decor community, I think we all can say that BigLots in the past, let's say 2 to 3 years, I'll say about 3 years, they have stepped it up, and it's been very noticeable how they have just paid more attention to detail and trends. And it's really, really nice. They've done a very great job. So that's all I have for you today, guys. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I cannot wait to come back. I do plan to bring a few more videos, maybe in the next couple of weeks. I'm gonna try, but I do have some coming. But as always, guys, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, and if you like what you see, go ahead and take a moment to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks, guys. Bye.